Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and Flux. Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and Flux are all AI art platforms, but they cater to different users and creative needs. Midjourney is an AI platform that helps users create stunning and artistic images from simple text prompts. It is easy to use through Discord, making it accessible even for beginners. The tool produces high-quality, professional-looking visuals that are ideal for designers and creatives. While it focuses on artistic style, it offers less control for detailed customization compared to some other AI models. Stable Diffusion is an open-source AI platform that allows users to generate images from text prompts. It offers a lot of flexibility, letting you tweak settings, run it locally, or integrate it into other applications. The platform is ideal for people who want full control over the image creation process. It may require some technical knowledge to get the most out of it, especially for beginners. Flux is an AI image generation platform designed to make creating visuals quick and simple. It has a user-friendly interface, so even beginners can generate images without any technical skills. The platform offers basic customization options to adjust the style and content of the images. While it may not produce results as detailed or advanced as Midjourney or Stable Diffusions, it is fast and easy to use. Overall, Midjourney is better for high-quality artistic images, Stable Diffusion is best for full customization, and Flux is ideal for quick and easy visuals depending on your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.